Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to back up Phantom Wallet. Backing up your Phantom Wallet is the most important step in protecting your crypto unlike bank accounts, and there is no forgot password option. Your secret recovery phrase 12 words is the only way to recover your wallet if your phone is lost, stolen or the app is deleted. So first launch your Phantom Wallet and unlock using your password or your biometric, and simply go to your profile icon in the top left and find to this setting in the top right again. Under here what you can do is you can simply go to your security and privacy below, and here what you can do is all of the way to the bottom you can find there's an option for the show recovery phrases. Tap there, and here you can simply select to this I understand the sharing my recovery phrase and tap on the continue. And here you just find your Phantom Wallet recovery phrase and you can back it up like that, and you can simply copy it to clipboard or you can write it down offline as well, and that is it. This is how you can back up a Phantom Wallet recovery phrase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.